As the debate rages on over separate colonies for Pandits, separatists threaten agitation if government decides on separate settlements for the Pandits.
ये कश्मीरी पंडित हमारे भाई हैं, हमारी बहनें हैं। हमें जितना यहाँ पे रहने का हक है, उतना ही हक कश्मीरी पंडित बहन भाइयों को यहाँ रहने का है। ये कॉलोनी, पंडित कॉलोनी के नाम पर नफरत की दीवारें खड़े करना इस्राएली तर्ज पर, ये हमने पहले ही कहा, ये हम होने नहीं देंगे। और हमारा आज भी वही मौक़िफ़ है कि हम ये चीज़ कभी भी नहीं होने देंगे। हम इस सिलसिले में इस नामनहाद गवर्नमेंट का ये चाहते हैं कि वो इन 3 इश्यूज पे एक क्लियर कट पॉलिसी लेके सामने आए, ताकि बार बार कंफ्यूजन न रहे यहां पर। और हम पहले ही बता चुका हूं कि इस पे खामोश नहीं रहेंगे।
Yasin Malik, they're saying that they're not going to allow separate colonies for Kashmiri Pandits in Jammu and Kashmir. Fareed is joining us for more on that story. Fareed, the separatists have already given a cry for an agitation, once again a 2008-style agitation, and it does appear that the PDP is extremely worried about that and are succumbing to pressure from the separatists.
Well, there's absolutely no doubt about it. Agitation or any trouble at this moment of time is the last thing that the PDP government wants. And that's why we've seen that after every issue that the separatists raise, the government is quick to react on that and they always try to downplay it. Be it the latest Pandit settlement issue or the Sainik colony issue, the government spokesperson was quickly, he came out and tried to diffuse the situation. But the fact is that you have a coalition where the BJP is very aggressive on the issue, and on the other hand, you have a PDP, which is kind of submissive, very restricted and very cautious on the issue. So definitely it seems that this issue has all the ingredients to snowball into a major controversy. But as of now, it seems that in all this melee, it's the Kashmiri Pandits who are the worst sufferers, because it seems that no one is really sincere about them, but at the same time see them as a political commodity.